All right, guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind. Today, we're going to be just quickly discussing Bitcoin. We have seen some tremendous weakness, and I was saying to watch out for this yellow trend line here. We were really worried about whether or not it was actually going to hold us, and this is where Venus and Saturn are opposition. So we are, in fact, looking for a pullback to here. If we don't get traction at this angle or this old bottom, then it's possible we bounce off of this, and from there, if we were to lose this, that's right, guys. It's Humpty Dumpty, and it's all the way down to here. And it's possible if we don't get traction on these angles here somewhere, then we'll be retesting this 19 and possibly this 17 area here. And if we don't get traction here, it's obviously 15. So I know there was a lot of news out there that was stoking everyone to get ready for a big rally. And it's possible and likely that there is a big rally around the corner. However, we just have to get rid of this last phase here. And as a bad news bears, I make no apologies. This is our overhead top, guys, and this is our second cycle of 62 days. And they're sitting back on angles. And once we lose this angle, it's back to another angle. So here we are. We made a bottom on this angle, and we're about to break this angle finally. So it's down to this angle and possibly down to this angle. Keep your stops tight and just be wary because don't take any losses here. Though it's possible we get a traction right here off this old bottom. So this is still not. We're still not in a total bear campaign. However, if we break these and this, yeah, it's down. So my prognosis was for the a top here because bottoms call tops and tops call bottoms. So I expect that this November period here would call it a November top. And as you can see here, we actually have a November 5th top here. So it's possible we just sit down on this November 5th and get some traction. Could be here, could be here, could be here, or we could just sit right down on these. So let's just be mindful. We're building a base here, so we just have to watch this. This is a really important area. I've been talking to you guys about this for months, so we must hold this. It has to hold. If it's not, then we come up and make overhead resistance here, then yeah, it's probably look out below. So let's just be mindful of this. We're just watching all these things happen. Let's go have a look at our indicators, right? So our indicators, that's right, we've just broke through. I'm probably expecting about 2, 3, or 4 more bars. A capitulation back to about here. Same with this one. I was expecting a move back to this line. We'll probably come just underneath this one here before we turn around. Our RSI has broke down, and I'm expecting that we sit down on this old bottom at about just 44, 43 level, and we retest a bottom before we have another move up. So pay attention to that, and safe trading, and peace and love.